We got Anna DuVall in the Weather Center with us too. Anna, I know you're keeping an eye on the storms as well. Are you seeing anything over there?
Yeah, we're seeing a few power outages right now in Pickens County, 196 people without power. So we're starting to see people being affected by this.
Where was that, Anna?
It was in Pickens.
And how many outages?
It was 196 people without power right now.
Okay, so we're starting to get a few power outages in that area. What else you seeing over there, Anna?
Yeah, I was going to say I drew a storm track on this storm that we're watching, and if you're in Reform or Pickensville, Belleville, Lockendam, Owens, Kirk, these are the places you need to start seeking shelter, finding an area if you need to seek that elsewhere, not in your home. If you're in a mobile home, trying to find somewhere you need to be when these storms start getting into your area.
Yeah, and this is still a dangerous thunderstorm. You know, Anna, one good thing is this is not the instability we have like in April. So this storm, while it is a powerful storm, it's not going to produce one of those strong EF4, EF5 tornadoes. But I mean, Anna, it doesn't matter. EF0 is still strong, right? Right,
and we're seeing a lot of winds out there too. We're expecting pretty heavy wind gusts today, up to like 35 miles per hour, I think. So still really heavy winds that will take down trees in your area, so you need to be prepared for that as well.
Yeah, and power outage is a bad thing going into tomorrow, Anna, with the cold air coming in. So hopefully these storms won't cause too much in the way of power outages. This is something we're concerned about. So thank you, Anna, for that update. And again, if you see anything, keep me updated on that. So again, Anna over in the Weather Center with us. Anna, are you seeing anything new out of this? Anything interesting going on?
We're actually seeing some more power outages in Pickens County. We're up to 224 now. And that can be dangerous with that cold weather coming in right after these storms coming through. But the National Weather Service is saying the same thing that Richard is. It's moving east 40 miles an hour. The flying debris, it's mostly knocking over those trees. Like Richard said, it's in that wooded area of Pickens County. But there is some debris signature that is on the radar. So the tornado is on the ground. So you need to be seeking shelter. And you need to be taking cover now. If you're in one of those areas that Richard was pointing out is heading your way, so you need to make sure you're on the lowest floor of your house or in a door frame or in your bathroom. These are great places to be. It's too late if you are in Carrollton or heading into Reform. So if you're in these areas, it's too late to go anywhere else. Just seek shelter and get in the safest place possible in your house right now.
Yeah, so and especially out of a mobile home. But again, Anna, unfortunately, you mentioned it's basically too late if you're near the Carrollton area, just north of Carrollton, because this tornado is on top of you. You've got an update from the National Weather Service in Birmingham. If you want to mention what they're talking about there, and I'm going to show you this storm while we do. Right,
the National Weather Service in Birmingham just said that they aren't planning to extend the tornado watch into Tuscaloosa County right now. That
the warning? Warning or watch?
Warning.
Oh, okay, I got you. Go ahead.
The tornado looks to have dissipated at this point. They're going to keep watching it very closely as the line moves from Pickens into Fayette County. So they're going to continue to watch that, but they're not looking to extend it any further.
All right, so they're going to cut this warning off at basically the end of the warning. You need to keep an eye on the weather. You need to keep an eye on things. It looks like, Anna, did they cancel the tornado warning for Pickens totally now?
They're actually talking about how Barry and Fayette is starting to look interesting. We're starting to see the reflectivity getting a little stronger there as it pushes through that area heading towards Barry and Fayette County. So they're watching that very closely as they're keeping an eye on the Carrollton area as well.
And again, I just saw the message come across right after you.
Harold is just saying that those storms have become less interesting. And down from Winston County to Pickens County and the Tuscaloosa County areas, we're just down to a line of heavy rain and storms coming through with pockets of those gusty winds we talked about earlier, Richard, 35 miles per hour. Yeah. We're looking at those heavy wind gusts that can take down the tree limbs and parts of your roof off. So we just need to be watching out for those wind gusts coming through as this rain passes through.
All right. Just some rain, but nothing severe. And Anna, you got that update?
Yeah, so
go ahead.
224 people still out of power in Pickens County.
Yeah.
176 people out in Fayette County. Now we see a little bit more in Tuscaloosa as it's making its way to our area. 441 people already out of power in Tuscaloosa County. So that number is surely going to rise as the storm moves through the area.
And that could be some pressure gradient winds too, pre-thunderstorm winds knocking some of those trees down. So that is a very real possibility. It's going to be windy tonight. Anna, again, you mentioned that some of those outages already, especially towards Pickens